Hey, I'm Michel Gagnon, and I'm excited to introduce you to our Growth Hacking Bootcamp. If you're tired of chasing shiny tactics, you feel stuck in your traditional approaches, this bootcamp is exactly what you need. Many marketers often feel powerless or frustrated. Their ideas and initiatives rely on gut feelings, or they try to follow trends without any measurable results. Growth hacking flips that script. It's a data-driven, customer-focused, and experiment-led approach that basically puts you back in control of your business's growth. In our bootcamp, we focus on creating a system that will allow you to run high-frequency tests, make data-backed decisions, and prioritize experiments that will really move the needle for your business, your department. You will learn to brainstorm, prioritize, design, run, execute, and analyze growth experiments with proven frameworks. So instead of guessing, you will know exactly which ideas to pursue and why. This bootcamp is for team leaders, marketers, founders, even executives who want to drive customer acquisition and scale their businesses through a structured experiment process. Whether you're optimizing your funnel or looking to boost customer acquisition, this bootcamp is short and sweet, and it will give you the exact tools that I've been using and that top companies have been using to really make it happen. We cover everything from growth process, growth experimentation, prioritization frameworks, acquiring new customer, ensuring that your experiments deliver meaningful results, and you get to practice at the same time. So you'll learn how to avoid the biggest pitfalls, like following trends blindly and relying on anecdotal evidence. By the end of this bootcamp, you'll have a repeatable growth hacking process in place that you can use yourself with a team across the entire company. You'll be able to test ideas quickly, effectively, track the right metrics, and continuously refine your strategies to improve over time. So, no more guesswork, just solid data-backed growth. I've been fortunate to work with and mentor 100+ startups and scale-ups across different industries. I've helped them refine their growth strategies and expand into new markets. I also led a 100-person ad tech company operating in 15 markets and was an executive at a $1.5 billion programmatic advertising company. I've launched multi-million-dollar products and also developed strategies to improve profitability by up to 50%. And I used to be a management consultant at PwC and worked in international business strategies and worked pretty much across the globe for Bombardier. So the reason I'm explaining this is I've seen businesses evolve from all different angles in all different types and business size. This bootcamp is the culmination of everything I've learned in the field and tested, and I'm really excited to share it with you. If you're ready to stop guessing, if you want to get rid of that frustration, that feeling of being overwhelmed, and you want to start growing with purpose, join us at the Growth Hacking Bootcamp, and you will be able to build a system that turns your business into a growth and meaningful machine. Sign up now, waiting for you on the other side.